major colors in the Yoruba, because the culture of people determine the way they view the world, and then our culture also determines the way we actually view the world. We have three major colors in the Yoruba language. We have red, white, and black. Red, white, and black. And if we're talking about this red, white, and black, it's actually significant. It has great significance in our religion. We have red, which is pupa, pupa. Black is dudu, and then white is funfun. White is made to signify purity. Black is made to signify maybe someone is actually going through sorrow or a moment of sorrow. Maybe someone a moment of sorrow. That's what black represents, or something evil. And then red as well sometimes signifies danger. So those are three major colors we have in Yoruba. The other colors that are coming to play are colors that can be spoken about making comparison with other things that is applicable. For example, this is more common in Yoruba, green, the color green. And how do Yoruba refers to color green? Yoruba just call it alawo ewe. That is something that has the color of a leaf. It's a description. Yoruba doesn't have a word for green, but it's just a description for green. That is like the color of the leaf. That's how Yoruba express green. So we have three major colors in Yoruba: black, white, and red. That is dudu, funfun, and pupa. Black, white, red. Dudu, funfun, pupa. Black, white, red. Those are the three major colors we have in Yoruba. The others are just descriptions. We can use anything that we have to describe them. So those are the colors we have in Yoruba language. Thank you very much for watching this video. Kindly like, share, and subscribe, and check other videos that I have on how to speak the Yoruba language professionally. I'm sure it's actually going to enhance your knowledge of the Yoruba language. Thank you very much.